Hey, it's Jack. Tuesday. I saw one of the weirdest things I've ever seen in a long time. Now, you know I like trends. That's the backbone for every strategy that I use. And I start off by using a market-driven approach, which is defined by if the broad market is bullish above all three of my trend points, then I'm going to trade long, bullish. If it broad market's below all three trend points, I'm going to take bearish strategies. And that's a market-driven approach, and that's always going to give you your best odds of success just by following that little guide. Now, the weird thing I saw today was when I'm looking for trends, I like to start off with new highs and new lows. And then it has to have all kind of other criteria. Okay, I won't get into that right now. I just want to tell you that there was 12 on the bull side, 3 on the short side. Okay, 12 long, 3 short. That's very unique in that it's a very close number. Usually it's lopsided, like 100 hitting a new low and 3 hitting a new high, something like that. This 12-to-3 ratio of new highs to new lows with this stock criteria that I use, that's very abnormal. So what that's telling me is that, like I showed you in the previous video, the market is trapped now between trend points a little bit. It's got a lot of resistance overhead, so a big run up to new highs, that's not going to happen. We might see a little bit more weakness, and then we might see this ball bounce up and down, the market being the ball, bouncing up and down, going kind of sideways. But what hasn't really slowed down, the market's kind of slowed down. The selling is not as intense as it was, and it's not rallying, so it's just kind of moving sideways. But what it hasn't really slowed down is volatility. And so if you have a stock right now, one of the best strategies you can use is a covered call. Great. Naked puts, amazing right now. A lot of volatility. Naked puts are awesome. Spreads too. You know, I love that weekly spread. Man, do I love that. That's great. So what I'm saying is all these income type trades, those are working. Directional trades, those are not working because stuff is not trending, right? But the volatility is still there. The trend is not there in anything, but the volatility is there. And so that means when you're an option seller, this is your gold mine market, baby.